Okay, can you help me make chicken lasagna?
Yeah, lasagna.
Chicken lasagna with only using only ingredients that we already have on hand. So what's going in this pan?
Pepper and carrot.
Wow, you're pretty smart. That's right, pepper and carrot. And then
Yeah.
we should add some garlic
Yeah.
and some onion.
Let's go.
Fresh spices. We'll use fresh garlic.
Let's eat carrots.
And
What,
we'll use
eat?
that's just the root.
Eating.
I'm so tired of this commercial.
Yes.
Okay, and then we're gonna chop up some garlic and we're gonna chop up some onion, and you're eating the roots on the baby carrots. Well, the onions, well, they're not very tasty until you cook them. Although I've seen people eat onions, sweet onions, raw. I thought it was pretty gross. But each to their own. So we're gonna cut this whole onion up and add it into our pot. And we added all the onions, and our eyes hurt. Pretty bad, right? Steen, are you okay? Okay, now we're gonna add some chicken broth, spices, and butter. Okay, so cream of mushroom, cream of chicken, cheddar, cheese, piece of stems, and a can of beans. All right, we're gonna put them all in this pot.
What? What is that? What is that?
So we didn't put the beans in. I forgot. The beans aren't going in. They're going in. We're mixing them in with the vegetables. I don't have any celery, so we're just taking this carrot, pepper, bean, tomato root instead, and mushrooms. I'm gonna put the mushrooms in the cheese sauce because I feel like that's where they belong. And Wolfgang's stirring. Okay, we spiced with black pepper, and we're adding almost a full thing, cream cheese, add a full one if you've got a full one. Okay, I've got a whole cooked roaster chicken that is coming out and is going into this pot with the cheese sauce. And I'm cooking the vegetables that you've seen me put together. I'm also boiling some water to do lasagna noodles. We're gonna cut this out and then I'll show you how to layer it, and then that's it. Okay, so just a few quick seconds left. So we layer that like lasagna, meat on the bottom, veggies and beans in the middle, then some meat, and then a top, and then a cheese. We used Italian spices, poultry seasoning, oregano, white pepper.